Good day, Divergence traders. How we doing today? Today is Friday, September 29th. It's that terrible part of the month where we got to pay for the bills. Yeah, the bills. They never stop coming, the bills. The rent, the mortgage. Yeah, the bills. The electricity, that's gone up. Yeah. And all the rest of the bills, which sucks. Okay, traders, let's take a look what we have here, huh? All right. Now, we're going to go back up and test the highs again? Anyway, here's 930. Right here. Let's put a freaking line on it. Yeah, right about there, 930. Oh, let's put one down here and just make sure. There's, no, that's not even right on. Is that on? That's off a little too. Okay, right there is 930. Is there a trade in here in this? Let's shake them up and shake them out area right here. No. You know, I was looking at something the other day. I don't know. Let's take a quick look, see if it might work. So if you put this oval kind of circle on here. Hold on. So if you bring it to the high, after it's did its shake up, right, for a while, and even the low. Well, no, hold on. How far could we go back? Yeah, let's say the high and the low, right? You just try and find that at the opening, and you go like, where's it going, up or down? I don't know, man. You know, where's the breakout, right? And this is the breakout right here. So if you got in here, it went up and you were good. I was just looking at that the other day. Don't ask me if it's valid or not. I don't freaking know. See how they're always trying to trick you, right? Buy fake, take it down. Buy fake, take it down. Sell fake, take it back up. Buy fake right here, this wick, take it back down. Yeah, and then up we go. Stair step up. Okay. So anyway, yeah, I know we're supposed to be looking for divergence. I don't know if it's really there or not. Like, say we drew it like that. It's difficult, man. It's the open. It's a chop shop, right? Like that, yeah, I guess. I guess there was divergence there, and the time to get in would have been around, you know, almost 12 to 13 minutes. This is a 1 minute chart we're looking at, ladies and gents. Remember I told you yesterday that the market moves so freaking fast. If you use even using a 2 minute, you're going to be late to the party. You know what I'm saying? And you want to be the first one at the party in this game. Oh look, see, look, they made it look like they broke resistance here a little bit. Made it look like, oh, we're gonna take it up, and look what they do 2 minutes later. Smack it down. Bastards. Always trying to trick people. Always trying to trick people. But I guess because if they don't trick you, they can't get your money, right? That's right. They can't get your money. Okay, let's get on with this now. Sorry about my ramblings, but that's what I do in these videos. Okay, so if you bought that dip right there, we already had the, well, we'll get rid of this freaking thing here. There we go. Low, retracement, lower low, and lower high. There. See? It's divergent. Here's the opening. So, if we would have bought, no, see, I wouldn't have bought that because they closed below, just below the moving averages. I would have bought here. So if you bought here, that was the news spike, 10 o'clock. There's 148 ticks. Okay, so this goes right here. Because you would have bought on the close. Oh, Jason, come on. Open this up here. Let the people see what the hell I'm talking about. Okay, so on the close of this one, opening of this one, you would have got long. So right from there to the top of the spike is 148 ticks. Okay, if you didn't get that one and you missed that entry, then you had the chance to lower close, buy it, and up it goes. Okay, here's the next one. Lower close, buy it, and up it goes. Gotta like that, eh? Let's see how many points potential could have been from these trades. So from this one, 66 ticks. And on this one, max potential ticks, 100. We'll just put it on this side. 157. See those 3 easy trades, ladies and gentlemen? And you didn't trade the open. You got to stay away from the open. I'm telling you, it's going to eat you up. It's going to chew you up and then swallow you whole and alive. Anyway, that's my best suggestion for you. You want to last in this game? You don't want to trade in the first half an hour. And that's it. Okay, let's move down now. Okay, let me get rid of these now. So I can show you the next setup. Okay, which is right here. We have a high, a retracement, and a higher high. We have, what do we have here? Is it level divergence or is it going down? I remember drawing it earlier and it was going down. Yeah, see? I'm very precise about this because I'm either going to call it one of two things. It's going to be regular bearish divergence. Yeah, it's divergent. Or it would have been what I call a level divergence. Something I made up recently when you draw the line and it goes straight across. But on the chart, of course, it made like, you know, a major move. Not a major move, but a move where, you know, it should reflect it down here, right? But anyway, there she be, ladies and gents. Look at this chop now. Okay. Let's show you how many ticks possible. 217. I was selling in here. I was doing the sells, the sell scalps, you know, the higher close and down it goes. Yes, I did this one right here. Boom, sell. I did another one. Where was the other one? Oh yeah, right here. I didn't do that one. I did this one. Higher close, sell, down it goes. There's another one. Higher close, sell, down it goes. This one I got out somewhere in here, down here. It was good. It was good. It was good. Yahol. Yahol, it was good. And anybody, if I ever like mimic you know, an accent, whether it be East Indian, Spanish, German, I just did a German one. It's nothing against nobody. It's just something I like to do. So, no, I'm not a racist, and no, I'm not insulting you if you're German, nothing like that. Okay? That's just what I do. So there's the trades of today. You had this trade here, the divergence. Up it went. Then you had two scalpers. And then on this side you had, oh, I need to put in the arrow of the entry. It's right here. On the opening of this candle, you would have sold it, and it would have did a little doo-dah, and then it would have went down up to 217 ticks. Okay? Which is pretty good. Oh, look what we have here. Yeah. Will it work? Will it keep going? Who knows? Nobody knows until we know. Okay, so let's move on now. Oh, that was the 1 minute. Is this the 2? Okay, here's the 2 minute now. NASDAQ. Is there any divergence in here? We have a low and a lower low. And we have... Yeah, it's divergent. Maybe a little off in me drawing the lines, but it's divergent, ladies and gentlemen. So you would have got in, this is a 2 minute chart, okay? On the pullback right here, okay? And it went up about the same thing. It went up total 231 ticks. And up here, we had a high retracement, a higher high, but you can see the indicator followed the price. There was no trade there. Okay. But just before the open, I want to show this. We had what I call a double bottom. Okay. And right here. You would have got in on the opening of this candle right here. Okay. And it went up a total of 258 ticks, ladies and gentlemen. That's a beautiful thing, eh? Oh, yeah. It's beautiful. It's like a beautiful lady. Okay. We're going to look at the S and the P now. We're looking at a 1 minute first. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I just look at 1 minute and 2 minute now. It's just too crazy shit. Okay. 9:30 was right here. Just want to put that on here. And what do we have in here? Looks like a bunch of scribble to me. Scribble, scribble, scribble. It's like that. All right. Okay, would have got long here. Total potential 33 ticks. Doesn't mean you would have got 33 ticks. Okay, now I'm going to remove this because I have to draw on the next resistance, and I'm going to remove this also. I mean the next setup, not the next resistance. Okay, so we have a high and a higher high on over to the left. And on the chart, we have it to the right. We have a high mountain peak. This is Mount Everest right here. Okay? And this over here is the hills in my backyard. Okay. That is hidden, hard to see divergence, ladies and gents. That's what that is. Okay, we had the cross down here. Okay. So right here. Come on. Let's make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. Okay, so there's the hard to see hidden divergence, and you would have had a sell right here. And this was at around 10:07 or something. This is on a 1 minute chart. So you would have got short right here. $42 ticks. So you got some ticks here and here. And here we go, higher close right here, a little bit of sideways action, and down it goes. Higher close, and down it goes. And then higher close. Oh no, I wouldn't have done that one. I would have waited for price to smack back down, so I would have got short right here, and down it goes. That's the way I trade that, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, when you take a lower close, buy it, up it goes, or a higher close, sell it, down it goes, they have to, sorry, I had to scream out that last part. I was running out of breath. Okay, you need for it to do this situation in or beside the zone. You cannot do a trade that's outside. See, like right here, that they closed up above the moving averages. I want them to close inside below, preferably right closest to the white line, which is the 5. Okay, then you sell it. You don't do the ones like this because it could be a change of trend. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. You're trying to protect yourself. It's kind of like a filter. Okay, if you do the scalp trades. Okay, so there was points there to be made. And what do we have here? Oh, we have another one. Let's bring it over. Let me show you. So we have a high. Oh, actually, let me show the first one first. There's one before the one I'm doing right now. It's right here. Okay, there it is. And it went bad. It went bad on us, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you. That's why I want to show you. So you would have got short right on the opening of this candle. Okay, it only went down 9 ticks. Okay, then what did it do? Our stop goes right here. It came up and got your stop. See that? Yeah. Yeah. There's the loser, ladies and gentlemen. There's not always winners in the trading game. And I want to show you that and make sure you understand that and see that. It's just the way it is. Okay? Let me just grab this and hop it over here like this. Okay? Now, our second chance at this was right here. You would have got in right on the opening of this candle. And the potential from it was 41 points. Okay? So if you sold it here and did this trade and had your stop right there, you lost 9, 10 points. Okay? Then if you would have done this one, you would have made back your 9 points and then made a profit if you would have done it. That's the problem in trading. Hey, you get in a trade, you lose, you're bedazzled. You're going, fuck, and you just lost. And it clouds your thoughts, and it brings in all this, like, you know, stuff you don't want in your mind at that time. And it causes you to have, you know, like as if you're paralyzed and you can't do the next trade when you see it. And that is the next trade where that gold arrow is, okay, where you would have got the rest of your profit back. So, you know, in trading, you can't expect to do one trade, win, and then walk away. It's called one and done. You can't expect to do that every day. You can do it, okay, but you can't do it every day. So you got to have the fight in you. If you do a trade and you did the setup, and it doesn't matter if it's divergence, it doesn't matter if it's when the MACD line crosses up above the 0 line, you know, or whatever, whether you you're selling off of resistance or buying off of support, whatever the strategy is that you use, you gotta have the fight in you. If you lose on one and you had your stop in the right place, you gotta wait for the next setup. So once you do that, you have a good chance at winning back what you lost and then winning a profit, right? And a lot of people don't do that. They just get freaked out from that first loss, and and then they end up doing something that it's not the actual setup, right? And they do another trade and they lose again. The most important thing of trading is, I think anyway, is making sure you are there. Whatever you are trading, you are there at the setup time. You see what I'm saying, ladies and gents? Like, in order to buy this trade here that it went up, you needed to be here at exactly when this candle, actually you need to be there before then. You needed to be there like, say, 5 minutes before then. And then you see the setup, you pull the trigger and you get in. You don't get in up here. You don't get in up here at resistance because you missed the trade down here. You don't do that shit. You do that shit, you're going to get screwed. Okay? So that's what I'm saying, is that you got to be there for the setup. You got to see it. You got to be in a relaxed mode that, oh, I'm looking for a setup. Oh, I'm looking for a setup. Okay? I just wanted to share that with you because it's so vitally important, ladies and gentlemen, that if you try and do the trade after the setup, you're probably going to lose. It's like the train. The train started chugging away from you, right? And you said, "Oh shit, I missed boarding the train. I missed it by 2 minutes." And then you start running after the train. Guess what happens to you when you try and hop on the fucking train? Well, you trip and fall and the train runs over your legs and that's it for you. You see what I'm saying? Same scenario, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you because it's so important. Thank you for listening to my analogy of that. Okay. So let's move on now. Hold on. We did the 1 minute. Did we do the 2 minute? No. Here's the 2 minute now. Let's look at the 2 minute NASDAQ. Okay. Okay. Right here. Low retracement. Lower low. Right there. See? Right here. You needed to be here right when it was down here at 8 o'clock. You needed to be here for 8 o'clock, okay? Then if you would have been there, boom, you could have bought it right there and up it freaking goes. You got to be there at the exact time the entry, the setup sets up. You can't be there 10 minutes later and say, oh, I think it's still going to keep going up and I'm going to buy right here. In this case, look at this chop, right? So say if you did that, say you missed this entry and you're right here and you're going, oh, I was supposed to get in there, but I'm going to get in up here. And it goes against you and chops you up and you're going, oh, fuck, I did something wrong, I was supposed to get in down there, not up here, right? And then you get, when it comes down here, you get out and you go, oh, shit, and you lose money. But if you would have been in from way down here, maybe that wouldn't have freaked you out so much. And you could have got out up here with like 50 ticks or something, okay? Okay, let's move on. Sorry, I just said a lot. And I'm a little bit talked out now. Sorry about that. There's no trade here, high and high. Oh, I guess there is. Yeah, I guess there is from here, but oh, what a mess. Here's the three soldiers, the three amigos. Here's one amigo, two amigo, three amigo. Okay? And it's so crazy choppy, I probably would have drawn a line like this. Okay, saying, where the hell am I going to get in this trade? And the entry is right there. Right? You draw a trend line, break and close below the trend line right here. Yeah. That's the thing in trading. It's like you got to trade what you see, not what you assume to think in your mind. Okay? You can't assume, if it's up here, you can't assume and say, oh, I think it's going to go down today. And it could have went up. And you lose. You got to see it with your eyes. You got to see the setup. And you got to be there, right there, at that precise second. Let's break it down to milliseconds. Okay? You got to be there to get in when it sets up exactly. Then that's when you'll get the full potential of the trade. So this is where we would have sold on the opening of this candle right here. But we'll put it right here. Okay, and there's 29 ticks right there. Now, here's the next trade. You might have not seen this, but I haven't had staring at this damn divergence for so long. It's insane. I know, like, I just scanned my eye down here for like 3 milliseconds and I can see it. That's how quickly I can fucking see it. Because I've been staring at these charts for like 11, 12 years. Well, I've been staring at charts, since 2005. But I've been staring at the charts to find divergence. That started in 2011. But I didn't start looking for it in 2011. A good friend of mine from down in the islands, Nassau, Bahamas, he told me, he said, Jason, once you can see and find divergence, he said, that's it, you'll make money. And where did he learn this from? He learned it from another trader, because he's a computer fix-it guy, and he fixes there's a lot of traders in Nassau, Bahamas, believe it or not. They trade for the banks. Yeah, all those banks. Anyway, maybe they've moved away now, but there used to be, anyway, a lot of bank traders that traded for the banks down there. And he'd go down there and fix their computers. And he'd ask them, so what's the trick to trading, blah, blah, blah. And they told him, well, or one guy told him, he said divergence. So he relayed this same message to me, okay? And I looked for it for years, man. Not constantly or anything, but from 2007... Sorry, I've been talking too much. I've been looking for divergence, and I could not find it. Well, I could find it, after the fact. After the fact, long after the fact. So I would see this divergence up here, or say down here. What am I, hold on, let me put this on. No, wrong thing. Okay, hold on. But anyway, I'd try and find it, and it would be long after the fact, and I couldn't find it. Like this setup right here, the price would be somewhere up here, and I'd say, oh, there's divergence down there. Yeah. And like I said before, where I learned divergence from, I can't say his name. He's a brilliant trader. He showed me, right? He showed me on this chart. Showed me, he's there, oh yeah, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, kind of bullshit. And I go, you're full of fucking shit. I go, that's bullshit. He goes, I just showed you. I go, no, that's got to be bullshit. Anyway, he done a course on this, and he forgot to put that the most important part in there of how you find it in advance. And how you find it in advance is like this. Market comes down. So when the market starts coming down, you say to yourself, okay, I'm looking for a double bottom or lower lows. That's what you say to yourself. So then it comes down, it puts in the first low. Well, put in a low here, but it didn't go back up. So then it comes down and puts in a low here, and then it comes back up, and then you say, okay, now I just need it to go back down and make a low, a lower low, or a double bottom. And then I can look for the setup, right? See, this is how I do it, okay? I find the low in real time. I find the low, then it retraces, then I find the lower low, right? Then now, once that's established, I can draw the line, and I can draw the line here. Oh, I forgot to put the fucking line there. I'm always forgetting to put the line down here, sorry. And then all that I need to wait for after that is for the 5 to cross above the 7, the price to close up above it, and boom, there's the divergence. You buy it right there, and up it fucking goes. But anyway, oh, look at it shoot back up again. That's the thing in trading. Like, anyway, he forgot to put that, what I just said to you, which is in my course, okay, which I think you should pick up a copy of. I just want to also mention, I'm going to be raising the price soon in the next month, maybe few months. So if you want to pick it up now, it's selling for a steal of a deal, only $77. Okay, and it's more valuable than most of those courses you see out there that they're charging $600, $700. Okay, just to let you know. But anyway, where was I? I was talking about trying to find divergence. Yeah. So anyway, we're on the chart. I said to him, I said, you're full of shit, whatever, when he was saying, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. I was saying, you're full of fucking shit. That's bullshit. And then he said, no, he's there. I just showed it to you. And I said, well, you're not explaining how you do it. You know, that's what I was saying to him. And he's there, well, oh, and then he goes, oh, and he smacks himself in the head. He goes, when you're looking to buy, he's there, you're looking at when the market starts going down, he's there, you're waiting, you're looking and waiting for it to put in a low retracement and lower low. He's there, then you look to draw your trend line and you buy out of a trend line, or, you know, whatever you're going to use, a moving average cross, or just price itself, you know, that's how you do it. And I said, holy shit, man, you know, now I see what he's saying. He finally spit it out, because I had to scream at him. I said, yeah, that doesn't show me anything. That shows me a low and a lower low, or a high and a higher highs. That doesn't show me anything. And I had to scream at him. I said, but how do you see it before it happens? And he explained what I just explained to you. And that's how you see it. Sorry, I'm going on and on and on today, but I'm trying to get this across to you so you can vitally understand how you see divergence in advance, and vitally how you need to trade the setup. You can't trade anything else but the setup, okay? Because if you do, you're gonna be in trouble, okay? Like right here. The entry was right here. Okay, there's a trade right here that just happened about 5 minutes ago. The trade isn't to buy it up here, fucknut. You need to buy it down here. Okay? That's why people lose. Because they fucking try and hop on the train as it's rolled away. You got to get on the train when it's fully stopped at the station. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Okay. Oh, that was a lot of talking, but hey, that is good information I just gave to you guys, okay? It's really good information. Come on, you little bitch. Stay there. There we go. So that was the trade. See what it got short right there. Max point potential was 40 points. From that hidden divergence up here. Oh, I didn't draw. Sorry, I didn't draw it down here. Let me draw it. It's right here. Right here to right here. See that little blue doodah? Yeah, that's the one. And I've showed you that little blue doodah many times before. They appear on NinjaTrader anyway. I think they appear on MetaTrader 4 also. Okay. That was for this sell trade right in here. Okay. We had a sell here. It worked out. We had another sell here. It worked out. And no, there's no trade to buy anything in here. Okay. But there's a trade down here. Let me show you. So we have see, when the price is coming down, You're looking to sell. You're looking for a low and a lower low. So right here is the low, retracement, lower low. See? Right there. See what would have happened if you would have bought up here? You would have been getting fucked right now. Totally fucked. But the setup right here was good. You had 4 minutes to take your profit. Actually, about 5 minutes. This is on the 2 minute. So you had 2, 4, 5, 6 minutes before they smashed it back down again to get your profit. But if you would have got in up there, no, not good, not good. Okay? You can see what I'm talking about here. I'm not telling you any bullshit. You're not going to get one lie on this channel. You're just going to get rock solid, honest trading information. That's all you're going to get here. I'm not going to try and baffle you with bullshit or bedazzle you with fluff. I'm going to show you the real deal, the real McCoy. So you would have got long right there. And how much did it go up? Total potential, ladies and gentlemen, on that trade was 36 ticks. Okay? Now, look up here now. We have a high retracement, higher high, right? Do you think there's a sell trade right here? No, there isn't. You want to know why? Because the high and higher high is going up, right? And this one's going up. They can't both go up. That's not divergent. One needs to go up, the other one needs to slant down, okay? So there was no trade to sell it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? There's no trade on that last deal there. Okay, we better get moving on here. We now covered the NASDAQ and the, you know, the other thing. Let's look at the pound now. Oh. Look at the pound, eh? Do we have a trade up here, ladies and gentlemen? It's screaming at you to sell. We do. We definitely do. We can make this a double top. And, see? Just like that, see? Doesn't have to perfectly line up from this candle to this candle, as long as you can see it. Okay? So you would have got in short right from here. I'm getting mixed up now. My brain just farted. I'm so sorry. Oh, shit. Okay, we're almost done, ladies and gentlemen. I know I had a lot to talk about today. I feel really good today. I got some sleep. That's probably why I've rambled on so long here to you. But it's all good shit, man. You can't go wrong to not absorb everything I told you today in this video. Okay? What am I looking for? Okay, the goddamn arrow. Oh, I put the arrow. No, I did have the right thing. Okay, right here. Max point potential, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you can read the number. 73. It says minus 73 because market was going down and we're short. That was a beautiful trade. Let's take a look now at the euro, see what it done today. There's actually a trade, let's show you, from the UK session, from right here. And yes, you can strike through candles, okay, right there. Right there to there. Now we get the arrow. See, we got to wait for it to cross down, yeah. Boom, would have sold it right there. And how many points potential did we have on this trade? We'll measure it to there. 38 points. That's pretty good. Then did we have another trade? Oh, yeah. This was the news, see, at 9:30 or 8:30. So I would not include that trade. I just wouldn't. It's like a double bottom, see, up like this, buy trade. It's the news, man. You ain't gonna trade the news. It'll screw you every time. Now, 10 o'clock. Yeah, the other news was over here. Okay. So we do have a trade, okay? It's right here. It's a double top, if I ever did see one. And right there like this, okay? And your precise entry point would have been right on the opening of this candle at that price. And you need to be there, right there at that time, at that price to sell it. If you're not and you come to the chart and it's down here, don't fucking sell down there unless you see a setup, like a scalper setup. But the point I'm trying to make is don't sell after the signal bar. This is the signal bar right here where you get in the trade. Okay. See what I got in here. Max potential on that trade was 56 points. Look at that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. That's the euro. Is there a trade here? Kind of, yeah. It's hard to draw, but I'll draw it. Right here to right here, and right there to there, like that. So your signal bar to get in was right there. See what I got long here, and it didn't go very far, as you can see. Only went up 20. Your stop was bigger than that. You wouldn't even have your 1-to-1 risk reward. So that is what it is. Okay, let's take a look at oil now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at that. Nasty fall, eh? Is there a trade here? Oh, this is the 15-minute here. I put it on there because it was so choppy yesterday. Let me put it on the 5-minute. There we go. That's much better. Crazy how they do that, eh? They run it from 86 to 95, and then they run it back down from 95 down to fucking 90. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. All done on purpose. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Double top. See that? So easy to see it, man. So easy to see it. And once this candle broke down, boom, it's like, oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Let's get short oil, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Hold on. Let me put it on here. Yeah, it's right here. I'm going, am I drawing all that for nothing and there's no fucking divergence? No, there's divergence. It's right here. Okay. Oh, wrong thing. Here we go. Okay. Max potential to the bottom. 207 ticks, ladies and gentlemen. 207 ticks. Why do I have another chart here? We have 5 minutes. What's this one? Oh, the 2-minute. Not going to bother looking at that. Anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy here, and I like to trade divergence. What can I say? It's so powerful. It's just so powerful in trading. It's the most powerful thing I've ever seen, you know. But I just want to say that, oh, it's the best thing in the world. Everything else is bullshit. I would never tell you that, okay? Trend lines are very, very critical. Support and resistance and divergence. Those are the 3 things I look at. And timing, of course. You know, you got to be there at the right time. And you got to trade at the right time. You got to be there for the setup. If you're not there, oh, and you try and jump in after, oh, you're going to get run over by that train. Okay? So don't do that. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button, I would appreciate it. It's free to like and it's free to subscribe. And once again, I'll mention that the price of my course is going to be going up from $77. It's a steal of a deal. So if you're really serious about, you know, if you're still having problems trading and, you know, and you're not getting the results you like, I think you should give divergence a try. And that's it. You can find the information in the bottom of the video if you want to go and pick up your copy over the weekend. You won't regret it. Okay, ladies and gents, you have a great weekend. Go for a walk in the sunshine. Breathe in some nice cool air. Okay? Good luck. Good trading.